was done, it was all done right, and it was all done on time and on budget. And, you know, I didn't know how unusual that was because I hadn't done many refits at other yards, hadn't had many experiences. But the family, the Huckins family, always takes care of you. I've never seen since the kind of care and the kind of honesty.
And our future is right here with all of you in this company. Our goal is that we're going to be standing here when that sign says 100.
Many people have asked Buddy and I, you know, it's retirement time. When do you go retire? We're not. Not anytime soon. We have been working on this project for literally years. It's based on a 1936 36-footer that my grandfather originally built. This one's going to have all the bells and whistles.
Somebody to love. Yes, I'm certain that happens all the time.